parabolic. You can see it over here. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart for this run. What this means is that Bitcoin has been outperforming altcoins, but it hasn't been outperforming all altcoins. There are a number of altcoins that have actually been outperforming Bitcoin. And if you've caught those altcoins, you could have made a whole lot more money than actually holding Bitcoin. Now, let me show you something very cool. If I look at the last year, a lot of the bubbles actually haven't performed as well as Bitcoin's performed. All the red ones are down relative to Bitcoin, and all the green ones are up relative to Bitcoin. Then, if I look at the daily chart, I'm seeing that there are a whole lot of tokens that have actually really outperformed Bitcoin today. In the last week, all of these altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin, and altcoins like Kaspa has outperformed Bitcoin in the last week by 65%, which means that if you were holding those tokens, you would have made more money than by just holding Bitcoin. Or Kaspa, you would have outperformed Bitcoin.
YouTube, it's Black Tiger Miner here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Happy Monday. Welcome back to all the Caspians. And remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. So let's go. But first off, from this quick little video, he's saying that Kaspa outperformed Bitcoin by 65%. So one of the things I wanted to let you guys know is you're still early on Kaspa, right? Most of the media attention won't come to Kaspa until it's at 25 cents or over, right? Because there's still a lot of people and a lot of, I guess, YouTubers flooding Kaspa, and there's a lot of people that aren't reporting on it yet. So keep that in mind while you're looking and researching. So first thing is research what you're buying, right? Know what it is, what it can do, and what it's worth. Don't just blindly buy any altcoin or cryptocurrency. And second is remember the market cap rank, right? Someone suggested Kaspa will probably be a top 25 by the end of the year and at least be 15 cents or 15 to 17 cents. So let me know what you think about that in the comments, and go ahead and hit the like button before we get into it. So let's look at Twitter. So we have Jim Skibum. Slowly Kaspa wins the doubters and have no choice but to admit they were wrong. Kaspa has surpassed Dogecoin in proof of work mining performance and now is ranked 2 after Bitcoin. The Kaspa mining hash rate has 30x since July, and prices only begun to catch up, breaking all-time highs. And I think we talked about this last week as well. Probably not. Keep FUDing. After all, FUD is first introduced to me. CAS. Trigger Bitcoin. Only maxis will onboard next wave of CAS maxis. CAS is now the highest daily mine revenue generated after Bitcoin. And there we are. I think that's, what is that, million? 12 million? 1.2 million? Yeah, right here. Hello. Yeah, 1.2, maybe 1.3, 1.2.5 million. And there's Bitcoin and Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and Monero. I don't know who's mining Monero, but hey, to each his own. I suspect those are CPU miners. But you can see CAS and Deutsch, whatever you want to call it, and Ethereum Classic. So let me know what you guys are mining. If you're still mining Kaspa, I did have a comment. Nerd Things and More said he was going to get 5 KS zeros. So from the video I made previously, I'll put that in the comments as well, or at the end of the video. I do have 2 KS zeros, and I'm looking to get a KS 1. I'm not sure. Still trying to wait on comments, trying to see what you guys think about that as well. So this is Captain D Work. Gas is built different. Looking for something new and innovative, bored of the same old copy and paste, fork, dog, enu tokens. Huh? Check this. Check what's happening on Kaspa currency. These are the go-to consensus algos in crypto. Even ETH and S dot base their consensus algos on theirs. A decade of research in Bitcoin, 5 iterations, white papers, Ghost, Spectre, Phantom, GHOSTDAG, and DAGKNIGHT have matured to prove that you can make a secure, decentralized, fast POW consensus. GHOSTKnight is implementing Kaspa and has 1 block per second, no sacrifice, no decentralized non-security. No sacrifice on decentralization nor security. In fact, one can argue that with the same hash rate, Kaspa achieves higher security than Bitcoin because no POW is lost by orphan blocks. In Kaspa, all blocks are included in the ledger, plus higher decentralization due to the higher granularity of the block rewards. With 1 block per second, a miner with 1% of hash rate can mine a block every 100 seconds. So I suspect 100 seconds is a minute, give or take 2 minutes, 60 seconds, a minute and a half. I'd have to look the map up on that one. With the increase in block per second, this reduces significantly mining, meaning solo mining becomes viable, resulting in less reliance on pools. And as of lately, I don't know if the solo mining is still viable. Let me know if you guys are solo mining and if you are solo mining and still finding blocks. I stopped solo mining because at first I was doing 2 blocks, two blocks every 3 days. Then it went to 4 days. Then it went to 5 days. And after 5 days, I wasn't able to find the block. And I went for 7 days and then went back to pool mining. So let me know what you guys think about that as well. Kaspa just dropped to 0.078 and went up immensely to 0.085. So sad for those who panicked sellers and sold the recent bottom and now buying at a higher price. This is why the best withdraw your Kaspa off exchanges to avoid doing emotional trading. Always trust your conviction. Kaspa is different. The solvers of the trilemma, it will have the fastest growth in history. Fastest to reach $1 trillion club. Okay, not sure that I follow this, but we'll see. So, okay, so he's saying in 6 years. Okay, interesting. So we got Microsoft, Apple, Bitcoin, Amazon, Google, and now Kaspa. I like that, actually. And that was the Twitter feed. And then we'll look at CoinMarketCap has Kaspa ranked at 33. So no movement there. Looking at crypto bubbles, we took the crypto bubbles down, but now we're coming back just to check it out. So for the day, Kaspa's down 6.2%. In the last hour, it's up 0.9%. For the week, it's up 32.1%. Just moving the bubble over here. For the month, let's see, it's up 98.6%. And for the year, it's up 1,482. Then looking at CoinGecko, CoinGecko has this ranked at 37. For the day, it's down to 0.0849, down 6.4%. Market cap is 1.8 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 47 million. So it's getting back to the average because last week it was like 110, 135, which was not common. But at some point, I guess it's going to start leveling out. Fully diluted valuation is 1.8 billion. Circulating supply is 21.5 billion. Max supply is 28.7. So now would be a good time to DCA in. I wouldn't say sell your kidneys or sell plasma, but get what you can in small bites, right? DCA is dollar cost average. So you can get a few tokens here and there or throughout the week by maybe $10 a day or $25 a day and slowly build your bag up. Since the price is down, or when it's red, it's coming down for us to pick you up, right? So the best time to buy it is in markets like this or on days where it's down. And if you can see, let's come back to that. You see it dipped here on today, actually, and it came back up. So what does that mean? It means people are holding, right? Even with the price dip, everybody didn't sell it. And whoever sold is probably mad they sold, right? Because it came back. So just keep in mind as you look at it and think about Kaspa being the second coming of Bitcoin, keep holding, right? The community's strong in Kaspa. That's why the price doesn't dip a whole lot. Like Kaspa hadn't even had a real bear run yet. It's been kind of bullish, and then it consolidates, and it gets bullish again, and consolidates, and goes back up. So shout out to CoinGecko for 7 days and 24-hour low. So currently it's 0.0847. 7-day low is 0.0788. Sorry, 24-hour low is 0.0788. 24-hour high is 0.0908. 7-day low is 0.0635. 7-day high is 0.0979. Trading volume today is 49 million, which is a little down from last week, but it's not around. I think I was seeing trading volume in the beginning was like 1 million or 2 million or less than 1 million a day. So things are definitely moving with Kaspa. Market rank is 37. And as I said before, we're definitely looking to get to that top 25 or top 5 market cap rank. It's coming. Somebody mentioned that 100 billion for Kaspa's market cap is still achievable, right? It's not out the window. Look at Ethereum, and let me see. Do we have people with 100 billion market cap? Yeah, Bitcoin and look at Ethereum and Tether, right? They're almost at 100 billion market cap. So if Ethereum is there, it's only a matter of time before Kaspa catches back up with them, guys. All-time high is 0.09906, and we're down 14.69%, and that was 4 days ago. So just keep in mind, the all-time high was 4 days ago. So Kaspa is still up and down, right? It's not flat, and it's not over, right? Kaspa still has 5 major exchange listings, of which will rocket the price back up, right? I'm talking about a real bull run. And these exchange listings are buying the crypto or buying the tokens, right? Since Kaspa is a fair launch, the exchanges have to buy it. So I think the exchanges are building a bag trying to get the volume up before they list it. But when they do list it, exchange like Binance is a game changer, right? A lot of people don't buy cryptocurrencies that aren't on Binance. So once it hits Binance, it's definitely going to go up, guys. It's going to be a serious bull run. Just in the fact that it's on that exchange, it's easier to get. So if we keep looking, this is Live Coin Watch. Live Coin Watch is saying 1.8 billion. Market cap is, 24-hour volume is 24. Sorry, I'm tripping today. Volume is 43.3 million. Volume versus cap is 2.39. 24 hours is 0.02. It's up. Sorry. In the hour. Oh, man. So in the hour, it's down 0.01. 24 hours is down 7.13. 7 days, it's up 30.83. 90 days, it's up 96.63. 90 days is up 118.8. And for the year, it's up 1,956. Circulating supply is 21.5 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. Total cap is 1.8 billion. 24-hour range is 14%. The low is 0.0782 and the high is 0.091. And I'll be so glad when it's 10 cents or above and I don't have to say 0.0. It's driving me crazy. It'd just be 0.1 or 0.15 or 0.17. So once it does cross over, I will be so happy, right? Not even the fact that I'd be making money, but it's easier just to say 0.1 or 0.2 or 20 or however you want to look at it. Trader Review saying in the last 4 hours. Sorry. Trader View saying in the last 4 hours, it's starting to come back up to 0.083. And it's been down in the last couple hours. And you can see here, no MACD crossing, and we're red. So we're not, volume's decreasing. And the RSI indicator is below 70 again. So yeah, it's starting to look slightly bearish. So we'll see how long this lasts. Hopefully it's going to bounce back today. So in the day chart, we're still building volume. MACDs are apart and we are above 70 in RSI. Let's see, where are we? Yeah, so once we finish consolidating what might be this week or a week or two, or maybe by the end of the week, we're going to come back up. But I suspect we're going to hit 10 cents sometime in November. Hopefully we'll get up to maybe 12 to 15 cents. And for the year, some people are predicting we're going to get up to 25 cents. I'm looking at a 20-cent range by the end of the year. Maybe 25 cents if things get crazy, but just to be conservative, probably 20 cents. So let me know what you think about that in the comments as well. And 20 cents is without Binance. If Binance lists Kaspa or Coinbase or Crypto.com, I'm thinking we're definitely going to get to the 30 to 45 cent range. But even without Binance, it's definitely somewhere between 15 and 25 cents. So let me know what you think about that in the comments. And let's see, go back to the 4-hour chart here. Yeah, so we got a green candle. So we'll have to wait to see how the rest of the day goes. Let me know if you think we're going to bounce back or if we're going to keep consolidating. And then this is Luna Crush. Luna Crush says, oh, wow. Kaspa's up to 20, but let's just refresh this real quick. Because for some reason, I don't think this site refreshes by itself. Okay, I guess it does. So, yeah. So, Kaspa is 16 now. So, it's climbing still, even with the volume down. So, what is this? Post is 4,256. Interactions is 3 million. Market cap's 1.8 billion. And 24-hour volume is 53.15. So let me know what you think about Kaspa so far. If you're continuing to hold, remember, keep diamond handing, guys. If the community stays together, we're going to keep pulling. So don't sell it. Don't sell your Kaspa right now. I would say wait at least to the $5 or $10 range, right? Just continue to hold. I know it's painful, but if we hold together, the price will keep going up. As clearly we've been seeing here, right? Let me see. From here, this last slight bull run and our previous bull run, let me see, where are we? Here. I think this was April, or was this March? And then we had something happen in August. So it's not over. It's not done. Kaspa's just warming up. So tell all the fudders just to hold on, right? Keep watching and remember to DCA in, right? And this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. And let's get back to the money, guys.